Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RC cars under $50 that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or just diving into the hobby, these budget options offer a ton of value without breaking the bank. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the traxxas remote control car. This 1/18 off-road monster truck is designed for kids, but packs in some impressive features that even beginner RC enthusiasts will appreciate. With a high-performance brushed motor, it can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, making it an exciting choice for outdoor racing. The LED roof and bumper lights are a standout feature, adding a cool aesthetic for nighttime play while also enhancing visibility. The traxxas RC car boasts a durable ABS plastic body and an upgraded suspension system, making it highly resistant to impacts and capable of tackling various terrains like grass, sand, and concrete. The included 900 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 30 minutes of runtime per charge. And since 2 batteries are included, you can double that to an hour of continuous fun. However, its 2-hour charge time might feel a bit long for impatient kids. While the traxxas offers great speed and versatility, it does fall short in terms of precision control, especially when compared to higher-ranked models. The 2.4 GHz control system is interference-free, but its range is limited to about 50 meters. Still, this RC car is an excellent budget-friendly option for kids aged 6 and up who want a fun, durable, and visually appealing toy. The main drawbacks are its slightly lower top speed and less refined control system compared to competitors. Coming in at number 4 is the Tamiya RC Car's remote control car, a compact yet capable 1/18 scale buggy. This model is perfect for younger kids or RC beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of remote control vehicles. With a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour, it's not the fastest on our list, but its stability and ease of use make it a fantastic entry-level choice. The Tamiya features a durable PVC shell, shock absorbers, and slip-resistant tires, allowing it to handle a variety of terrains like grass, dirt, and indoor floors. It's equipped with a USB-C charging system, which is a modern touch, and the 1500 mAh battery provides up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The inclusion of batteries for the remote is a nice bonus, making it ready to play right out of the box. While the Tamiya excels in durability and simplicity, it does have some limitations. Its 2-wheel drive system isn't as versatile as 4-wheel drive options, and its maximum control range of 98 feet is shorter than some competitors. However, for kids aged 8 to 14 or anyone new to RC cars, the Tamiya offers an affordable, user-friendly option with decent speed and solid construction. The main drawbacks are its lower speed and limited range, which might not satisfy more experienced users. At number 3, we have the traxxas RC Drift Car, which is a unique option for those who love drifting and high-speed precision. This 1/24 scale car features a sleek design with LED lighting that adds flair during nighttime use. Its dual-mode tires allow you to switch between drift tires for smooth surfaces and racing tires for off-road terrain, making it incredibly versatile. The traxxas is equipped with a 4-wheel drive system and a dynamic torque distribution mechanism, enabling stable drifts and sharp cornering. The top speed of 20 kilometers per hour may not be groundbreaking, but the smooth acceleration and responsive controls make up for it. With 2 500 mAh batteries included, you get up to 50 minutes of runtime, and the modular battery compartment makes swapping batteries a breeze. While the traxxas excels in drifting and style, it's not as well suited for rugged terrains as some of the other models on our list. Additionally, the smaller 1/24 scale might not appeal to those looking for a larger RC car experience. However, for anyone who loves the art of drifting or wants a stylish, feature-rich option, the traxxas is a solid pick with plenty of entertainment value. In the runner-up spot, we have the Blue Jay remote control car, the 1/12 scale monster truck that combines speed, durability, and extended runtime into one impressive package. With a top speed of 33 kilometers per hour, This truck is one of the fastest in its price range, powered by a strong RC 380 motor. The 2.4 GHz remote offers precise control within a range of 50 meters, making it suitable for outdoor racing adventures. The Blue Jay stands out for its robust build quality, featuring an ABS plastic chassis and an aluminum alloy body for added durability. It's equipped with LED headlights and chassis lights, which not only look great, but also improve visibility during nighttime play. The included 1400 mAh Li-ion batteries provide an outstanding 70 minutes of runtime, split between two batteries, ensuring longer sessions of uninterrupted fun. While the Blue Jay is an excellent all-rounder, its larger size might be less convenient for younger kids to handle. Additionally, the relatively short control range limits its usability in larger open spaces. However, if you're looking for a fast, durable, and visually striking RC truck that can handle almost anything you throw at it, the Blue Jay is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Tenson X 118 scale all-terrain RC car. This model is a beast in its category, boasting a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour, powered by its RC 380 brushed motor. Whether you're racing on grass, sand, or rocky terrain, the Tenson X's 4WD system and durable tires with metal hubs provide exceptional grip and control. One of its standout features is the dual 7.4-volt rechargeable batteries, which deliver an impressive 42 minutes of runtime per charge. The 2.4 GHz remote offers a stellar 300-foot control range, which is by far the best on this list, allowing for expansive play areas. The hobby-grade design includes independent suspension, a solid gear differential, and a quality PA chassis, ensuring durability even in tough conditions. While the Tenson X excels in speed, control, and durability, its slightly higher weight might make it less suitable for younger kids. Additionally, its higher speed could be challenging for beginners to handle. However, for RC enthusiasts looking for a high-performance all-terrain car under $50, the Tenson X is unbeatable in terms of value and features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.